Hi, this is the TCL 408 and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first open the settings application, then scroll to sounds and vibration. Here you'll see ring notification media and alarm volume panels, and just to change the volumes we should swipe to the left or to the right side. There's dots on each of the volume panels. Here you get the silent mode switcher. Just to activate or turn off silent mode we should use the switcher. When the silent mode is activated you will see that this switcher is activated. This switcher is activated and our ringtones and notifications they will be muted. When we'll unmute ringtone volume, silent mode is turned off. Here we could change the phone ringtone and vibration settings, notification and alarm ringtones. To activate and turn off the don't disturb mode, and in more sound settings you could activate or turn off the dial button, screen lock and lock sounds, touch sounds and vibration and touch options just by click on each of this switcher by this way. And here we could switch the haptic feedback vibration duration and to use the wireless emergency alerts. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.